guys, it's Emily from the Wellington County Museum. We have our videos for your museum on your doorstep craft kits this week. The first one is a very cute, very friendly pom-pom hedgehog, and we also have your DIY jar candles. Stick around to watch the videos and I'll show you just how to make them. So the materials that you will need to make your jar candle is you'll need some shortening, a spoon to scoop the shortening. You'll also need a jar, 2 popsicle sticks, a nut, a piece of string, and an unwrapped crayon. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to get the wick part ready first. So we're going to take the piece of string and the nut, and you're just going to thread the string through the nut and tie a double knot, leaving it down at the end of the piece of string, just like this. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take a popsicle stick and we're going to tie the other end of the string around the popsicle stick as well. Just like this. So this is what our wick will look like, and we're going to set it off to the side for the next thing. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to start by breaking our crayon into some smaller pieces here, and we're going to put it into the jar. This is going to be the color for our candle. There we go. And now we're going to scoop the shortening into the jar. We're going to scoop it until there's about this much of shortening in the jar, just at the bottom of the lip here. So I'm going to take my spoon, and then the other popsicle stick can be used to help you put that into the jar. We want to pack it down as much as we can. And I might be able to fit one more little scoop in and pack it down with that popsicle stick. Okay, we'll set the shortening off to the side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this over to the microwave. We're going to bring our wick that we just made with us, and then we're going to melt our shortening and crayon to make the inside of the candle. Okay, so we've got our candle in the microwave. We're going to microwave it on a high temperature for 20-second intervals. You can stir it in between intervals and then heat it for another 20 seconds until the shortening and the crayon are melted. All right, now is about the right consistency that you'll need for your candle. Once it's done in the microwave, you will want to let it cool just for a little bit because it will be very, very hot. We don't want you to burn yourselves. At this time too, if you have any essential oils that you'd like to add a few drops in, you can go ahead and do that now. So you can put a few drops of essential oil in and give it a stir. All right, and last but not least, we're going to add our candle wick. So we're going to take the wick that you made. We're going to put it into the jar with the nut going down to the bottom here. So it should weigh down the string enough so that it goes right to the bottom, just like this. Now, if your string is a little bit too long, what you can do is roll it on the popsicle stick until it's nice and tight. And then we're going to let the popsicle stick rest on the lip of the jar until the rest of the candle is solidified. Once it's solidified, you'll take your scissors and cut the string right here, right at the top of the wick, and you're all set to enjoy your own DIY candles. Hope you guys enjoyed these videos. Check out our website for more information to sign up for other Museum on Your Doorstep craft kits. Our website is www.wellington.ca/museum. We'll see you next time.